breaking news coming in at this point in time, and this one is from Haryana. Haryana Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini has made a big charge against the Congress party. He has put out a video claiming that Congress party is offering jobs in return for votes. Listen in.
अरे तुम्हारे मतलब की तो बात निकल गई, थमायो लेट अब असली सौदा तो नौकरी को, और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत हमें नौकरी की। भैया भाई ने खुल्लो चैलेंज कर दिया, सबन की आज्ञा ले ली। हुड्डा साहब ने नौकरी देनी 2 लाख, यू मेरिट हमारे इलाके समझ आना रही, जिता के भेज दो 2000 को कोटा मिलेगा, और मैं इनकी 50 वोट पे एक नौकरी की सिफारिश है। और जा काम तो जितना ज्यादा डब्बो भरेगा वह काम की उतनी ज्यादा ही नौकरी लगेंगे। यूं मेरो फैसलो ना, इस समन को फैसलो कल को मेरे ऊपर थोप दो कि जाते कोई 10-20-50 वोट आने पड़े। अरे तुम्हारे मतलब की तो बात निकल गई, थमायो लेट अब असली सौदा तो नौकरी को, और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत हमें नौकरी की। भैया भाई ने खुल्लो चैलेंज कर दिया, सबन की आज्ञा ले ली। हुड्डा साहब ने नौकरी देनी 2 लाख, यू मेरिट हमारे इलाके समझ आना रही, जिता के भेज दो 2000 को कोटा मिलेगा, और मैं इनकी 50 वोट पे एक नौकरी की सिफारिश है। और जा काम तो जितना ज्यादा डब्बो भरेगा वह काम की उतनी ज्यादा ही नौकरी लगेंगे। यूं मेरो फैसलो ना, इस समन को फैसलो कल को मेरे ऊपर थोप दो कि जाते कोई 10-20-50 वोट आने पड़े।
Let's now go across to my colleague Amandeep joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Amandeep, this is sensational, especially in the middle of the election season. The allegation is 50 jobs equals to 1 job sifarish. What more details can you share with us?
Well, absolutely. This is very surprising and shocking. And in fact, Neeraj Sharma, who's a candidate of Faridabad NIT constituency, openly while addressing a gathering, he's saying that we don't understand the merit basis. But Huda government will ensure that 2 lakh jobs will be given in the state of Haryana if Congress comes into power. And even Faridabad NIT has given the quota of 2,000 jobs. And 50 votes, 1 job. This is the equation he is giving to the public. And he's trying to lure the voters. The more they support, more they cast the vote to the Congress party and to him, so more the jobs will be given by the Congress party. And one more thing importantly, he's saying that this is not the decision of Neeraj Sharma. This is the decision taken by Hooda or the Congress High Command. So he was just trying to lure the voters by making a statement that they don't understand the merit to give the jobs. They are just calculating the jobs with the votes. 50 votes, 1 job, and 2,000 jobs quota has been given to Faridabad NIT. The more people will cast the vote, accordingly the jobs will be distributed among the youth. So this is a very sensational remark he's saying while addressing the gathering. And in fact, just before that, Congress party is going to release their manifesto. And this is very sensational claim. But simultaneously, when this video has been put out on the social media and reported, same Neeraj Sharma is reacting that this is the BJP's IT cell that who have doctored the video. This is not the statement. And he also claimed that during the BJP tenure, BJP has given the jobs to the people of Gujarat, but Congress will give the jobs to the people of Haryana. So in justification, he's releasing this statement also.
Right. We'll talk about the justification in just a bit. Amandeep, request you to please stay on with us. We have Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP also now joining us on the broadcast. Shehzad, thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what we heard in this video that has been put out by the Haryana Chief Minister. Clearly, it shows desperation somewhere, because now instead of merit, going by what Neeraj Sharma in this video is claiming, instead of merit, actually the votes are going to decide whether somebody gets a job or not in Haryana.
This is the Congress's Khatakhat model. Here there is no space for merit, only space for kharchi and parchi, which means connection and corruption. If you have connection, you get job. If you have corruption, then you get job. That means the garib, Dalit, Pichda, Ati Pichda, those who are the most eligible because of their marks but have not got any connection or not got any money for corruption, they will be denied the jobs. This is the true face of Rahul Gandhi's model, whether it's in Himachal, Karnataka or Haryana. This is anti-people, it is anti-poor, it is anti-OBC, it is anti-SC, it is anti-ST, it is anti-youth. The Congress party has destroyed the future of the youth. They only want one youth, Dipinder Hooda, to succeed, whereas the BJP made the youth of all of Haryana successful, but they want to stop this. The youth of Haryana must watch this. It is a threat on their jobs. It is a threat on their sustenance and livelihood. It is a threat that Congress is promising for the future of one youth, that is Dipinder Hooda.
Right. So clearly, many clearly will say that this shows the desperation also, because Haryana is a very, very important state, and this kind of a statement coming in just before the Congress party releases its manifesto, and on a day when even J&K is seeing polls. Now, the thing is that we were just listening to my colleague Amandeep, who tried to tell us that Neeraj Sharma and the Congress party is trying to claim that this is perhaps a doctored video. This is not exactly what the Congress party is trying to say. How will you respond?
Being doctored, the track record of Bhupinder Hooda government is there for us to see. In Bhupinder Hooda government, name 20 people who got the jobs based on eligibility.
Right.
None of them. They had to only get the job through Kharchi and Parchi. And I am warning the youth of Haryana from this video, from this phono, कि आपके साथ बहुत बड़ा धोखा करेंगे ये लोग. ये खर्ची पर्ची पर ले आएंगे फिर से आपको. अभी तो आप मेरिट से जॉब पाते हो, कल आपको फिर से खर्ची पर्ची पर ले आएंगे. ध्यान रखना, ये उन्होंने अपने मंसूबों को बता दिया है एक बार.
All right, Shehzad Poonawal, appreciate you joining us and sharing with us your perspective. We have Raman Malik of the BJP also with us on the broadcast. Good afternoon. Thank you, Mr. Malik, for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your response to what has been alleged by the Haryana Chief Minister on a comment that was allegedly made by Neeraj Sharma, the Congress party's candidate, on jobs. Instead of merit, it's going to be votes that's going to get jobs to the people of Haryana.
ये दो चीजों की आपको इसमें देखनी पड़ेगी. ना सिर्फ इसमें आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा that this is the merit is being disregarded, the merit is not going to be looked into, it is only going to be the old ways कि जी जो पर्ची और खर्ची देगा उसको नौकरी मिलेगी. But furthermore, if you deeply analyze, this is a gross violation of the model code of conduct. This is a gross violation of the people's right to do caste franchise. Why I am saying so is कि आप अगर उसमें ध्यान से देखेंगे, उसमें ये बोला है कि 50 वोट पे एक नौकरी, जो जितना नौकरी देगा जगह उतनी ज्यादा, जो गांव जितनी वोट देगा उतनी ज्यादा उनको नौकरी मिलेगी. So that means you are buying the vote. Is it right for the democracy? ये कल तक तो रोते थे कि डेमोक्रेसी मर गई, डेमोक्रेसी मर गई. ये डेमोक्रेसी की एक निर्मम आतंकी हत्या है. What are you doing? If I tell you that I will give you 500 rupees for a vote, that is a crime. But if I tell you that if your village is going to cast the maximum number of votes, you are going to get the maximum number of jobs. That is not a goose. That is not a fleece. That you are not fleecing the voters of this country or the constituency.
Right. All right, Raman Malik. So clearly BJP is trying to say that this is in a way a bid to bribe the voters of Haryana. Thank you very much for the moment, for joining us and sharing with us your perspective. Meanwhile, viewers, the Congress MLA has now clarified. Yes, he has given a clarification on his comments, and he has said that his statement is being twisted by the BJP IT cell. He also goes on to say that he only meant that people of Haryana will get jobs if the Congress party comes to power. Listen in.
बड़ा दुख हुआ इस भ्रष्ट भाजपा सरकार की आईटी सेल ने. हमारे बयानों को गलत तरीके से पेश किया गया. इनके राज में तो कोई भर्ती हुई नहीं, सिर्फ हुए हैं तो पेपर लीक हुए हैं. HPSC के ऑफिस से पैसे पकड़े गए और ये हमारी भर्तियों पे सवाल उठा रहे हैं. मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ, कांग्रेस के राज में ये नहीं होगा गुजरात से लाला के लोग बिठा दिए जाएंगे यहाँ से। कांग्रेस के राज में तो हरियाणा के लोग भर्ती होंगे। कांग्रेस के रोज में टाइम में हमारी NIT 86 के लोग भर्ती होंगे। कांग्रेस के राज में पूरे हरियाणा के बच्चे भर्ती होंगे। इनकी तरह भर्तियों में घोटाले नहीं होंगे। HPSC के ऑफिस से पैसे नहीं पकड़े जाएंगे।
Let's go back to my colleague Amandeep, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Amandeep, as you were also trying to explain to our viewers that, now a clarification is coming from Neeraj Sharma of the Congress party, wherein he's trying to suggest that, he is perhaps being misquoted.
Well, absolutely. In the clarification, Neeraj Sharma is saying that his statement has been twisted by BJP IT cell. He is not denying the fact that he was not seeking the votes on the behalf of the jobs, 50 votes per job. And in fact, simultaneously, he is putting the allegations against the BJP that during the BJP tenure, the people of Gujarat are getting the jobs in the state of Haryana. But in Congress regime, this would not happen, and only the jobs to the local people will be given by the Congress government if comes into power in assembly. But the technical part in this entire statement is that he was not clearly and straight away denying this statement, that he has not said that 50 votes per job will be was offered by Neeraj Sharma. He was saying that BJP is just twisted the statement and in fact trying to mislead the people. And again he is trying to just lure the voters that Congress government will provide the jobs to the people of Haryana. So somewhere down the line, just in the desperation to get the votes, Neeraj Sharma has openly given this statement, and it was recorded in a mobile phone. It was not recorded on a full-fledged camera. In fact, you can see that video was recorded from one side where Neeraj Sharma was speaking when he was addressing the public. And he is the candidate. He is the sitting MLA of the Congress party from Faridabad NIT constituency. He is the candidate of Congress party, and in fact openly saying that 2 lakh jobs has been supposed to give by the Congress party, by the Huda government, and even 2,000 is the quota which was given to Faridabad NIT, and he will distribute the jobs according to the vote share, 50 votes per job, and more the people will cast the votes to the Congress party and to him in his constituency, the more jobs will be distributed according to that village. So it is an open statement. So now let's wait and watch. Either the Election Commission is going to take the any cognizance regarding this, just because it was an open offer during the campaign. He was trying to lure the voters on the behalf of the jobs, and the most important part is that he's saying we don't understand the merit to give the jobs.
Right.
We don't understand the merit. That means the people who will get the jobs, it's only based on the votes.
Yes.
So this is how things are panning out. Yes.
And this clearly has got a scathing attack from the BJP as well. Even though, Amandeep, you're telling us about the clarification that has come. It's interesting what you say, that, he hasn't really denied the point about, this job for votes that has been made in this statement that has been put out by Haryana Chief Minister. Let's once again, viewers, listen into what exactly has Neeraj Sharma, the Congress candidate, said, and then the clarification.
पड़े अरे तुम्हारे मतलब की तो बात निकल गई, थम आए लेट। अब असली सौदा तो नौकरी को, और सबसे ज्यादा जरूरत हमें नौकरी की। भैया भाई ने खुल्लो चैलेंज कर दियो, सबन की आज्ञा ले ली। हुड्डा साहब ने नौकरी देनी 2 लाख, यू मेरिट हमारे इलाके समझ आना रही, जिता के भेज दो 2000 का कोटा मिलेगा, और मैं की 50 वोट पे एक नौकरी की सिफारिश है। और जा काम से जितना ज्यादा डब्बो भरेगा, वह काम की उतनी ज्यादा ही नौकरी लगेंगे। यू मेरो फैसलो ना, यू समन को फैसलो कल को मेरे ऊपर थोप दो कि जाते कोई 10-20-50 वोट आने।
बड़ा दुख हुआ इस भ्रष्ट भाजपा सरकार की IT सेल ने, हमारे बयानों को गलत तरीके से पेश किया गया। इनके राज में तो कोई भर्ती हुई नहीं, सिर्फ हुए हैं तो पेपर लीक हुए हैं। HPSC के ऑफिस से पैसे पकड़े गए, और ये हमारी भर्तियों पे सवाल उठा रहे हैं। मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ, कांग्रेस के राज में ये नहीं होगा गुजरात से लाला के लोग बिठा दिए जाएंगे यहाँ से। कांग्रेस के राज में तो हरियाणा के लोग भर्ती होंगे। कांग्रेस के रोज में टाइम में हमारी NIT 86 के लोग भर्ती होंगे। कांग्रेस के राज में पूरे हरियाणा के बच्चे भर्ती होंगे। इनकी तरह भर्तियों में घोटाले नहीं होंगे, HPSC के ऑफिस से पैसे नहीं पकड़े जाएंगे।
So you heard, viewers, in the clarification, he says that the BJP IT cell has twisted his statement. But before that, you heard him very, very clearly say, merit hame samajh na aa rahi, which clearly means he doesn't understand merit. Congress party doesn't understand merit. When it comes to offering jobs to the people of Haryana, it is going to be on the basis of the votes that the party gets. Here's a reaction now that we've got from Bhupinder Hooda as well. Let's listen in.
देखिए, ये व्यक्तिगत बातें हैं, हमारा कांग्रेस पार्टी का किसी उससे आपने किसी के व्यक्तिगत विचार हो गए, व्यक्तिगत किसी होगी जो कहेंगे, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी की कोई
नायब सैनी ने सर इस पर ट्वीट किया। सीएम वो कह रहे हैं कि सरकार आएगी तो फिर से खर्ची पर्ची सिस्टम जो है वो देखने को मिलता हुआ नजर आएगा।
तो देख रहे हैं ना, ये जो अभी जो कौशल रोजगार बनाया है, ये क्या था? ये तो परचून की दुकान थी बनी। इन्होंने नौकरियां इस तरह बेची हैं जिस तरह परचून की दुकान में परचून बेचते हैं। इनके पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में करोड़ों रुपए पकड़े गए। सबॉर्डिनेट सर्विस कमीशन का चेयरमैन को सस्पेंड करना पड़ा। कोई भी एक कितनी नौकरियां हैं जो इन्हें कैंसिल हुई, ये सब बात जो की है, इसको पहचान चुके हैं, लोग समझ चुके हैं।
सर टिकट बटली बागी भी
पर्ची